Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's shaping the future of technology enterprise service buses, or ESBs. We'll explore the latest trends and predictions that are revolutionizing how businesses integrate their systems. First, let's quickly recap what an ESB is. An enterprise service bus is a software architecture model that enables communication between different applications in a service-oriented architecture. It acts as a middleware that facilitates the integration of various services, allowing them to communicate and share data seamlessly. Now, let's look at some current trends in ESB technology first. Microservices architecture. Many organizations are shifting towards microservices, which allows for more agile and scalable applications. ESBs are evolving to support this architecture by providing lightweight integration solutions. Second, cloud integration. With the rise of cloud computing, ESBs are increasingly being used to integrate cloud services with on-premises applications, ensuring smooth data flow across environments. Third, API management. As APIs become the backbone of digital transformation, ESBs are adapting to provide robust API management capabilities, enabling organizations to expose their services securely and efficiently. Lastly, real-time data processing. The demand for real-time data analytics is growing. Modern ESBs are incorporating event-driven architectures to process data in real time, enhancing decision-making capabilities. What does the future hold for ESBs? Here are some predictions. First, increased automation. We expect to see more automation in ESB processes, reducing manual intervention and speeding up integration tasks. Second, enhanced security features. As cyber threats evolve, ESBs will likely incorporate advanced security measures to protect data in transit and ensure compliance with regulations. Next, a greater focus on user experience. User-friendly interfaces and improved user experiences will become a priority, making it easier for businesses to manage their integrations. And finally, integration with AI and machine learning. The integration of AI and machine learning will enable smarter decision-making and predictive analytics within ESB frameworks. In conclusion, the future of ESBs is bright, with numerous trends and innovations on the horizon. As businesses continue to embrace digital transformation, ESBs will play a crucial role in ensuring seamless integration and communication across systems. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of